Welcome to the VSPAGY personalized video interactivity platform. In just 3 steps, you can easily generate personalized links for your customers. Begin by providing a unique project name. Ensure that the entered project name is distinct. Download the sample file. If your template includes personalized media such as images or videos, the zip file will contain corresponding folders for each. Fill the personalized data in the Excel file and add media files to folders, if required. Zip the file and upload it. Now click on the Generate Link button to generate personalized links. You can view the link usage and download the generated links from My Template section. For more information, visit us at www.vspay.com. Thanks for watching.